Hi everybody, it's me again. I'm near bad weather. It's full, completely salty. It's minus 85 meter above, below the sea level. So just wanna show you how it's dry. Look at that. Look at that. This is a place where devil can maybe enjoy, but human beings cannot enjoy that. But at least we can enjoy maybe 5 minutes of the landscapes. Let's see. This is more or less the middle of the Death Valley, and today I did maybe 300 miles, so maybe 5 hours of driving, and I have the same to go back to Vegas on the opposite side, like over there, and I came over there, and this is my pretty little Mustang. So okay, that's it guys, sorry my English is really fucking bad, but I'm gonna work on it, okay, for the next time. See you in Montreal, or maybe see you in San Francisco, okay? It's gonna be a little colder. It's gonna be better, but it's gonna be less funny. I wanted to reach the white salt point, but I don't wanna walk on that shit here. Yeah, it's look like devil skins, you know, devil skin. Okay, I'm gonna get back. Love you guys. Bye bye.